guys, so I just wanted to start out halfway kind of through. This is the half of my head, so this is basically what it's gonna look like. And I did actually video this half, but didn't notice that my microphone wasn't on, so now I'm just gonna teach you guys how to do kind of the second half of the head. So this is my natural hair, and then this is what it's gonna turn out to be. I'm not really running my hands through the curls right now just because I want them to kind of stay in place a little bit longer until I do the other half of my head. And then at that point, when both halves are done, then I will run my hands through it. So right now it kind of looks a little too Shirley Temple for me, but it's okay, we're gonna fix that. I've been going in with the Lee Stanford small barrel. I think this is the 4th inch. I'll leave this down in the description box below. This was like $20 from Amazon and I absolutely love it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do the other half of my head. So I split it off and I start from the bottom and I work my way up. And I do this in about 4 sections. So I start with the bottom half and then I tie the rest up. So let's get started. So I just take little sections. The smaller the section, the more curly it's going to be. So depending on how much time I have, I take smaller or larger chunks. And then I wrap around away from my face, just to kind of frame up my face a little bit more and just so the curls don't go into my face. But as I work my way back, I usually, sorry, the wire's in the way. I kind of curl it whichever way, away from my face or towards my face, just to make it look a little bit more natural. But these first curls in front, I always do away from my face. And after it's curled, I kind of do like to hold it here just a little bit more, just so it sets. And if it stays curled up like that, I actually just leave it just because it helps it set a little bit more. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my bottom half, and then I will do the other halves. Okay, so this bottom section is done. I'm just gonna go in with the Canva dry texture spray in the number 6. I like the dry texture spray because it's kind of in between a dry shampoo and a hairspray. And I find that with a hairspray, when I spray it in my hair, it's too hard to brush my fingers through afterwards. So I use this dry texture spray on every single layer that I do. And then when everything is done, I will like brush it through with my fingers and kind of floof it up, and then I'll go in with the hairspray. So right now I'm just gonna go in with the dry texture spray. Again, this is Canva in the number 6. Woo, smoky. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in and I am going to do the second half on this side. I'm gonna work my way up. And then I'm gonna start curling the second half. We are on to the last section, thank God. So this entire process probably takes me about an hour, and my hair is not even like that long, but it just takes so long in this small little section. So super happy, my arms are super happy that this is our last section because they're tired. And there, we are done. It looks a little too Shirley Temple for me, but that's okay, we'll brush it out. I'm just gonna spray this top layer quick with the texture spray. Just gonna start brushing out with all of my fingers kind of loosening up the curls. I'm gonna do that real quick. So guys, this is the final look. I popped on a red headband that I just actually got from Guatemala, and then I popped on my big hoop earrings that are from Target. But yeah, so this is the look. This is for a photo shoot once, and that's kind of it. So yeah, this is actually only the third time I've actually ever done this, and I have naturally wavy hair, so it is kind of cool to kind of rock like big curly hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button, and I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.